Presenting Plutonium Business Park by Plutonium Group with Rafiq Merchant. Walking distance from Turbe railway station is on main Thane-Belapur road, right next to IKEA. Premium A-grade office and retail spaces. Ground plus 18-story. 80% construction completed already. This is the drop-off lobby for the office. Is 32 feet height, fully air-conditioned. The amenities will be a rejuvenating spa, cafe, gymnasium and a billiards table. And this is the entrance lobby of the retail with capsule elevator. IGBC Platinum rated green building. A whopping 750 covered car parking spaces on 4 levels. Majestic 13.5 feet ceiling height. This is 1750 square feet of office space, 3 crores 20 lakhs plus taxes. 1900 square feet retail showroom, 16 feet height, 6.5 crore plus taxes. 4000 square feet office space for 7 crore plus taxes. 25,000 square feet full floor plate office space, 50 crores plus taxes. And 10,000 square feet of fine dining restaurant. A massive 17,000 square feet open to sky lounge. So the total space for restaurant and lounge is 27,000 square feet for 27 crores. Plutonium Business Park by Plutonium Group with Rafiq Merchant.